Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to find account number on Truist app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Truist, you can use our link in the description below and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So Truist app can be downloaded on your cell phone, but if you can't find your account number on your cell phone, you can also do this on computer and it's easier. So what you're going to do on your computer is to search for Truist customer service. So just click Truist bank and just find their website. So this is their main website, the Truist Bank checking savings, etc., etc. And right here, when you're on the website, you can just find the contact information on the top side. So this is the contact information. So just click it, and you will be redirected to their contact information page. So there are many ways to get in touch with them. So first is by using your phone. So this is their time period where you can contact them to Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. using this number, or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., etc., using the same number. And yeah, so you can use this number and approach them online and ask them how to find your account number, and they will help you right away. Or other ways to get in touch is to go to their main branch, or you can get in touch with them in personally, and also you can find an advisor to help you on a certain problems, or also you can check their social media, and you can contact them through their social media. And yeah, that's it. That's the ways to contact the customer service in order to help you to check your account number. And yeah, that's all you can do. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.